Hey guys and dolls, and welcome back into another video. Wow, did we have an exciting day in the stock market today. We have a lot of our growth stocks back, and guys, they are shooting up and they are outperforming a lot of the other stocks right now that are in the watch list. You guys know that I have been extremely bullish on Bitcoin and our crypto asset plays, and you can see that today, guys, Mara did jump up a whopping 15.76% to close the day at $44.14. An absolute winner, and I did actually shout this out over the last 2 weeks almost every single day, and I had said that we are going to see, in fact, see a dip back from about 35 onwards, and we can expect a very sharp V-shaped recovery very soon once that price of Bitcoin does actually start to retest those highs of $60,000, which we were approaching from this trend line. And again, I had done a video every single day over the last 7 days about how I thought Bitcoin was in fact going to go back up. This was going to affect our Riot blockchain and Marathon Patent group, and again, our Riot blockchain is up over 8% on the day, so congratulations there if you were in those plays and you did actually catch the buy the dip opportunity, because these plays are extremely volatile and I will always remain bullish on them as that price of Bitcoin is set to surge forward over the next years. I am going to play our Marathon Patent group and also our Riot blockchain just like swing trades and day trades. You can almost play these plays just like swing trades or day trades and get in and out whenever you need to take profits, because they are extremely volatile. You can see that we can actually move up or down up to 15% in a single day. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then welcome inside. My name is Jason. I would absolutely love to have you with me on this channel, so do go ahead, turn that lovely like button into a beautiful blue color for me, and smash that subscribe button if you are new, and welcome to this family of investors. Guys, our GEVO play is fighting back on the day. We did actually see a bottom on GEVO of around $5.75. As you can see, at the beginning of March, when we did have that big pullback on a lot of the growth sector, we are now leveling out and we do actually have a new layer of support. And you guys can see what's really important is I always say that stocks love to refill their gap. We did actually have a gap that was created here around that January time, and obviously since then we did actually come back. We did refill this gap in, and again we have now come up and we have tested a double top on this support. So if we do in fact come again up here for a triple, you guys know that on a triple top we do usually break through onto a new layer. So I am looking in the long run for this play to start to break out, and I am extremely bullish. I have a price target on GEVO at the end of the year for $18 to $20. So guys, that is over a doubling from the current share price, and I believe in this company long term. The fundamentals for GEVO are absolutely incredible. This company are going to change history, the way that we use fossil fuels moving forward, and they are going to be absolutely massive. I really do believe that they are being backed by the US government, by Joe Biden, and the CEO at GEVO knows his stuff, and I'm extremely bullish on this stock. So if you haven't loaded up on GEVO, then now could be a potential buy the dip opportunity, especially if we do start to go down below and we retest back into those 30 levels on the RSI, and we do have a second dip anywhere below that $8 share price, because in the long run, guys, like I said, I do see this as a double-digit multi-bagger stock, and this stock is going to continue as the future becomes more green and innovation and disruptive innovation, particularly companies like GEVO do actually start to win out. So I am very bullish on this stock moving forward, and you guys can see that our NIO play, our beautiful NIO play, I did actually release a video on just a few hours ago. You are welcome to see it, and I did say that we did have an extremely strong support here just before markets open. I did release the video and I said that we can expect to see a W-shaped recovery very soon, because I do believe that we are in fact going to retest those highs of about $41 to $44 very soon in the next few weeks. So I am just waiting for that confirmation to break up above this resistance, and you guys can see here today that the buyers did re-enter the market just like I said, and this was in fact a buy the dip opportunity, and I am expecting us to continue this momentum over the next couple of weeks ahead. But guys, always make sure to do your own due diligence and research, because nothing I say in this channel of course is financial advice. And guys, you can see that our Jumia play is actually up over 11% on the day. We did actually come back down again, and we have tested this as a double bottom. And you guys can see that we have extremely strong support layers here, and I think that this is a new bottom for Jumia, but in the long run this is going to be a very handsome stock. And you have to remember, guys, Amazon in their early days, Tesla in their early days, they did see a lot of volatility. They saw a lot of downward pressure and there was a lot of selling. But guys, as time went on and these stocks settled into their markets, they settled into their industries, and they started to become profitable, they actually went up in share prices, and now they are market leaders. Jumia Technologies is currently in the space of Africa, and they are playing in digital and e-commerce, and you guys know that this is a massive multi-billion-dollar market, if not trillions, and this space is not interrupted yet by companies like Jumia. They are one of the only companies out there that are working just like Amazon are in trying to capitalize as a digital and global e-commerce site with their deliveries as a service on land. So guys, I'm extremely bullish on Jumia Technologies moving forward, and I do believe that this could easily be a $70 stock by the end of the year. So I am very, very bullish that we are going to in fact see those highs of $70 to $100 over the next 12 to 20 months. And I really wouldn't be surprised, guys, if we do break out into triple numbers, especially if we do actually have very good earnings, which we did actually have back at the beginning of this year when they did release their earnings. We did have exceptional sales, especially for those Black Fridays. So guys, I am very, very bullish on Jumia still, and I think that this is in fact a once in a lifetime buy the dip opportunity. But always know, guys, that a lot of the stocks that we are using right now inside our portfolios are in fact growth stocks, and growth stocks are extremely volatile in the market, as you guys know, that right now a lot of people are repositioning their money into value stocks, and again, those recovery plays, as I've talked about on my channel. If you would like me to give you some recovery plays, then be sure to check out this video above and have a binge on my channel, because I have many videos out that I have actually talked about those recovery plays that are inside my portfolio. You guys can see that Ttcf, one of my favorite plays inside my portfolio, is sitting at a very, very strong buy zone, and you can see right now that we are almost approaching oversold levels on the RSI. I believe that in the summer this stock is going to soar, and we are in fact going to see those highs again of $30+. And you guys know that I'm extremely bullish on the vegan space. Being a vegan myself, I truly believe that this company has what it takes, and they are only just getting set for their global domination. They have only just deployed their marketing this year, so I really can't wait to see what this company does moving into the future. And you guys know also that we have Maxar Technologies, ticker symbol AXR, and this is a company that I had recently bought, and we are sitting up on the day. So overall, guys, a great day in the markets. Those are a lot of the stocks that I'm watching right now that I have been buying the dip on, and I will continue to be bullish on till the end of the year. So if you are someone that is new, or perhaps you were interested in updating any of these plays that we have been talking about on our channel since the very 1st of January, then welcome inside, and I do hope that you found this little insight helpful, also along with my price predictions. If you did enjoy this video today, guys, then be sure to smash that like button down below. Hit that big red subscribe button if you made it this far, and I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate all of your support on this channel. You guys know that on this channel I sometimes like to give out the bonus stock if you have made it this far, and you know that I am extremely bullish on CleanSpark, and you can see also that we have a double bottom, and it does go to show, guys, that a lot of the plays right now inside the portfolio are showing a very similar situation in regards to their technical approach in trading. So if you in fact see any dips in the share prices back down to that 30 on the RSI, then this is going to be an excellent opportunity to load the boat, because as that price of Bitcoin increases, then again our beautiful CleanSpark is also going to push up in volume and also in share price. So those are the stocks that I'm watching right now. I'm very bullish on all of these stocks, and out of all these stocks, the one that I am most bullish on, guys, is probably Ttcf and also NIO, because I think right now at these prices are extremely attractive, and in the long run these stocks are going to absolutely fly up, and I really don't believe that we are going to see these prices this time next year. So I would be looking for any opportunities right now, especially if we do dip below any of the numbers that I have talked about, then this would be an absolute gift. And if we were lucky to ever get that and we could scoop up those shares very quickly, I believe that we would have a very fast V-shaped recovery. So guys, have an excellent day, and I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Ciao!